In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a daily journal inside of Notion. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so creating a daily journal in Notion is a great way to keep your thoughts, goals, habits, and daily reflections organized all in one place. Now, what I'm first going to do is obviously come on over to Notion and sign into my account. Now, I'm just going to click on Create New, and I'm just going to call this Daily Journal. Then from here, we want to go ahead and add a journal database. So where it says here, go ahead and click on / and then type in database. Now we can choose an inline database or a full page database. I'm going to go ahead and choose a full base database. Now I'm going to name this database my daily entries for this. Then below that, we can see this table here. So we've got name, add property. We can customize all of this stuff. Now I want to go ahead and just rename this name to entry. Obviously it's a journal entry. Then from here we can add useful properties. So we can go ahead and add property. I'm going to go ahead and add the date. We can add more. I might add mood if they're going to let me add mood here. All right, I've added in mood, and then we can put in more like energy tags, grateful for, etc. Then click on a daily entry. So we want to create a daily entry. So click on the new button here. And then from here, I want to give this a name. So I'm just going to give this a name as the date. So I'm just going to call this August 17th, 2026. Give this the date. So the 17th mood. We can go ahead and put in our mood. And then we can add property too if we want. We can add comments. Now if I come back here, you can see that's my entry. Now we can also create a calendar view. I've already got one here. So we can see here, that's my entry. We can see this in the calendar view. If you want to grab that, click on the add new view, and then we can add that calendar. We can also add a chart, timeline, and board, etc. as well, even a feed. And then basically from here, start journaling. So each day, create a new entry, select your journal template, and spend a few minutes writing.